Orlando Pirates coach Abdisalam Wadu has silenced his critics, transforming early season cheers into celebratory cheers after guiding the Buccaneers to the MTN 8 trophy in his first campaign at the helm. Stepping into the sizable shoes of Jose Rivero, who himself faced early scrutiny before winning over Pirates fans, Wadu confronted a daunting task, yet unlike his predecessor, patience from sections of the fan base was in short supply. After just three Badway Premiership matches, the Moroccan coach found himself under fire, having claimed one victory and suffered two defeats. Some of the early struggles were self-inflicted. Wadu's experimentation, frequent tinkering with the functional system and the rapid integration of 13 new signings disrupted the squad's rhythm. However, the coach demonstrated resilience and adaptability by reinstating key players who had been central to Pirates' 5 trophies over 3 seasons, while gradually waving in new arrivals. Wadu found the balance that ultimately delivered silverware at Mbombela Stadium. He said, like I said, a lot of people are very impatient in football. Wadu was speaking on the SABC News and said, I don't think I am better than the 2 months ago. I'm still maybe a plumber or a carpenter if you want, but I work with the heart. I love my job. I love football, and I always give my best. The MTN triumph raises a compelling question. Does Wadu's now merit inclusion among the league's elite coaches? Perhaps the broader lesson lies less in rankings and more in patience. Football is unforgiving, especially at clubs of pirate stature, but coaches need the space to instill their philosophies and navigate early setbacks. For now, Wadu has done what matters the most. He has silenced the doubters and etched his name into the proud history of Orlando Pirates Cup winners. Meanwhile, Austin Apolis praised their coach Wadu. Apolis provided both assists for Moremi's brace, detailed how his decisive contribution was shaped by the coach's guidance, and said, no, he just said, when I came on to exploit the wide side and try to pin them back, and to get the ball around them, we have to give credit to the team. We all fought. Even in the first half, it's us sitting on the bench who always have to look at what we are going to do when we come on. So we don't call ourselves substitutions. We call ourselves impact players, but credit has to go to the whole team. And further said that I'm very excited, The day I signed, I always knew that I was going to win trophies, and it happened. I'm very happy we're a team that will continue fighting, and we're happy that we scored the goals that got us the trophy. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.